My dear students, I'm going to explain you one two questions in chemistry, chemical summaries. First question is calculate the amount of lime, that is CaOH whole 2 calcium hydroxide is called lime, required to remove hardness of 50,000 liters of well water, which has been found to contain 1.62 gram of calcium bicarbonate, that is CaHCO3 whole 2. It is also called calcium hydrogen carbonate or calcium bicarbonate per 10 liter. Now the solution is first calculation of total calcium bicarbonate present. That means how much calcium hydrogen carbonate is present, that we will calculate. So since 10 liter of well water contains 1.62 gram of calcium bicarbonate, that is CaHCO3 whole 2 or calcium hydrogen carbonate. So therefore 50,000 liter of well water will contain 1.62 into 50,000 by 10, 0 cancelled, and after decimal here 2 digit, so 20 again removed, and then 50 into 162 you multiply, then we get 8,100 gram of calcium bicarbonate. Now calculation of lime needed. So the reaction is CaHCO3 whole 2 plus CaOH whole 2 arrowhead 2 CaCO3 plus 2H2O. That means the reaction between 1 mole of calcium bicarbonate and 1 mole of calcium hydroxide. The products we get 2 mole of calcium carbonate and 2 mole of water. Okay, now we find the molecular mass of calcium bicarbonate, that is equals to 40 plus 1 plus 12 plus 48. 48 because here oxygen is 3, so 16 3 is 48. So I have written 48. And bracket close into 2 because here this 2 is for hydrogen, carbon and oxygen all. For all these 2 is there. That's why here I have written into 2. That is equals to 40 plus 61 into 2 because 1 plus 12 plus 48 if you add you get 61 and this into 2. So 40 plus 122 equals to 162 gram. So that is the molecular mass of calcium bicarbonate. Now molecular mass of calcium hydroxide. So calcium mass is 40, so 40 plus and oxygen is 16 plus 1 into 2. Here 16 plus 1 has been written in bracket into 2 because this 2 stands for oxygen and hydrogen as well. So that is equals to 40 plus 34 because 16 plus 1 is 17, 7 into 2 is 34. And so 40 plus 34 is equals to 74. Now since 162 gram of calcium bicarbonate needs 74 gram of lime, that is lime is calcium hydroxide COH whole 2. Then therefore 8100 gram of calcium bicarbonate will need how much? 74 into 8100 by 162. Yeah, here by 2 we are cancelling. 74 and 162 both are cancelled by 2, and then we get here 37, and here 8100 is written as 81 into 100 by 81. 81 cancelled, so it is 3700 gram, and that is converted into kilogram by dividing 1000. Then we get 3.77 kilogram. This is the answer. Now second question is, what volume of oxygen at NTP is needed to influence complete combustion of 200 cm cubed of ethine, which is called acetylene also, and what would be the volume of CO2 formed? So the solution is, the chemical reaction representing the combustion of ethine C2H2 is 2C2H2 plus 5O2 arrowhead 4CO2 plus 2H2O. Here you find that 2 volume of acetylene, that is C2H2, reacts with 5 volume of oxygen. Then we get 4 volume of carbon dioxide and 2 volume of water. So, by applying Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume, since 2 volume of C2H2 needs 5 volume of O2 for complete combustion, therefore 200 cm cubed of C2H2 will need how much? 5 into 200 by 2, that is equals to, here by 100 it is being cancelled, so 5 into 100, that is equals to 500 cm cubed. And so 500 cm cubed of O2 at NTP or STP will be obtained. Now again, since 2 volume of C2H2 releases 4 volume of carbon dioxide, therefore 200 cm cubed of acetylene will release 4 by 2 into 200. Again it is being cancelled, 2 to the 4, and then we get 400 cm cubed of carbon dioxide at NTP or STP. NTP full form is normal temperature and pressure, and STP is standard temperature and pressure, both are same. Therefore, volume of O2 needed is equals to 500 cm cubed, at STP or NTP, and volume of CO2 produced equals to 400 cm cubed at STP or NTP. So this is our answer. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.